colorful congregation in the Australian outback is a rare sight indeed. It's made up of thousands upon thousands of budgerigars, a type of parakeet. They may be the world's most popular pet birds, but in the wild, they live far from human company. Usually, they travel in small flocks, seeking the grass seed that makes up their staple diet. But when food is plentiful, they appear at water holes in spectacular numbers. Wave upon wave descend to drink in turn. Each bird alights for just a few seconds before another takes its place. But wherever birds gather, so do their predators. The black falcon, a formidable hunter. But the budgies' sheer numbers are also their secret weapon. It looks like the falcon has all he can eat, but as the flock splits, he doesn't know where to turn. And while he's distracted, more budgies sneak a drink. Some act as lookouts, watching the drinkers' backs. The falcon tries again, but he's quickly spotted. He isolates a target, but it just drops like a stone. He tries again, but the same thing happens. Working together, the budgies survive. By settling for a moment, each gets a drink, while the rest run rings around the falcon. In the chaos, even a single bird presents quite a challenge. The black falcon is outwitted by the power of the flock, and it's not the only benefit of massing together. When birds assemble, something extraordinary happens. They act like a superorganism, traveling with a single purpose. The knowledge of each bird adds together and helps the flock come to a consensus. It finds food and makes choices far better than any individual. This is one of the largest flocks of budgies ever seen. Together, 1 million birds appear to think and react with one mind. The budgies are living proof that when finding food or facing predators, it's better to be part of a crowd.